Are you ready for all-time sleep comfort wherever you go? Introducing the new HEST Pro Travel Pillow, our most versatile travel pillow yet. To unlock restful sleep on the go, pop out of the travel mode by unzipping the top zipper on the dirt and water-resistant cover and pull out the pillow. Re-zip the top zipper and give the pillow a quick fluff to activate the enhanced memory foam. From there, you've got options. Looking to catch some shut-eye in the passenger seat or on the plane? The HEST Pro Travel Pillow wraps and clips easily around your neck for all-around pillow coverage in planes, trains, or automobiles. Middle seat? No problem. The pillow is a luxurious, quiet, and supportive pillow oasis anywhere you need to get some shut-eye. Or, unclip the pillow for a simple, smaller body pillow companion during hotel or short-term vacation rentals. Bring the comfort of home wherever you roam. Fold the pillow over and stuff the folded half into the sleep mode sleeve to create a more traditional pillow on the road. Portable, personal, durable. The HEST Pro Travel Pillow has it all, and then some. The Pro Travel Pillow has its own pillowcase, available for purchase separately. Simply open up the pillowcase's sleep mode sleeve and start stuffing the pillow inside. Don't be afraid to put a little extra into it. The foam blend is resilient and won't lose form or performance. To change into a neck pillow, pull the travel pillow clips through the holes at each end of the pillowcase and find your ideal fit. After a restful sleep, pack up and hit the road with ease. Remove the pillowcase, unzip the pillow's top zipper and guide the pillow back into the cover. Zip the top zipper closed and voila, you are road ready. Don't let a bad night's rest keep you from your next adventure. Customize and personalize your travel comfort with the HEST Pro Travel Pillow.